dear Minister, ladies and gentlemen, dear guests, members of the CPT team, NATO CPT team, members of the North Macedonia core planning team, good morning and once again welcome to the Ohrid, and thank you for participating on the final planning conference. It's my great pleasure to extend you a warm welcome once again in Ohrid and the successful conduct of the final planning conference North Macedonia 2021. I will use this opportunity to express my gratitude to the permanent support from the NATO core planning team and active participation and personal effort during the preparation of this event. The joint conduct of 19 consequence management exercise North Macedonia 2021, together with the Euro-Atlantic Disaster Response Coordination Center, which is NATO's principal civil emergency response mechanism in the Euro-Atlantic area, present excellent opportunity for the Republic of North Macedonia to test all its response capacities in the time of the crisis situation. The exercise provides an excellent opportunity for testing and improving our national capabilities. Modernization of incident management capabilities and regional cooperation are high on the agenda of the crisis management system in the Republic of North Macedonia. Therefore, I would like to express our gratitude to NATO for participation in the project Next Generation Incident Command System within the NATO Science for Peace and Security program, which means modernization and digitalization of our operational structures and opportunities for further engagement in the development and implementation of the project with active support to NATO. I would like to underline that due to the world pandemic, COVID-19, the upcoming exercise in September will be a unique concept for NATO and for all of us. The revised exercise includes 3 pillars of activities: the field training exercise and tabletop exercise, VIP symposium and media tour. In the end, let me repeat the assurance of highest consideration and appreciation, wishing you a successful work and positive outputs from this event and successful implementation of the upcoming exercise.